Okay, so guys, I've had over 1,000 downloads from my viral PDF files here that I've created since they launched this viral PDF rebrander tool in the back office of LeadsLeap. So I'm going to be talking about this. So yeah, 1,000 downloads in about 6 weeks. So my first, this actual download here, I created about 6 weeks ago, and so these downloads, since then I've created a whole bunch of them. I've created about 6 viral PDF downloads that my team can rebrand. And since then, about 1,000 people, 1,000 downloads have been downloaded. All right, since in the 6 weeks, and I haven't really gone like crazy with this. I mean I've put it out there. I'm hugely excited about this. But it just goes to show that this kind of marketing really takes off. It really takes off by itself, and when the viral aspect of it kicks in. What do I mean by that? I mean that when you set this and you get it out there, and people are excited, okay, to want to get access to they're gonna share your PDF. All right, why would they want to do that? Because they can rebrand the PDF tool. All right, and they can put their, they can allow their, team to download it as well, so that they get to rebrand with their links. Okay, not only does it rebrand and potentially viralize your PDF download, but also, if you're setting it up in a way like, you're putting in a bunch of affiliate links in there, of tools or network marketing companies that you're a part of, or traffic recommendations or resources or whatever, because it's all designed for putting in your own links. Okay, so you get a tool like this, and you can create the tool, customize it, so you can brand it with your usernames for those different platforms. Okay, and when they click the button here, so let's put it in here. You put your usernames in here for the different platforms. Okay, and then you click the button and it rebrands the PDF. You've created the PDF already. Okay, they get to download it. They get to save the PDF on their desktop. This is their PDF now, because the links in there are going to them. Okay, so that they can, So I created the raw PDF document with the rebrandable links. Okay, and when they go ahead and fill in the form, they get their version of the PDF. All right, and then they can save it and then share it out, or add it to their funnel, send it out via email, send it out to their network. Okay, and then it becomes a real powerful lead magnet for your team. So imagine if everyone in these networks, or in these different network marketing platforms or companies that you're working with, they are in your downline already, and then they're sending it out there, and then they're getting results because of this viral PDF, and that's the viral mechanism kicking in. So you can see that it's going to potentially build your downline. So if you're involved in even if it's just one company, you could make this work. I mean, I've created a bunch of tools. Here's for Live Good. All right, so let's pick a random PDF. And then you come to the rebrander tool. All right, you've got 4. In this case, you've only got one field to fill in, just the Live Good username. So you set the instructions, you set up, you customize it, and then they come along and they put their username in there. They download it. Okay. Oops, I didn't put my username in there. So yeah, you got to rebrand it, obviously. So put your username in there, rebrand it. Okay, and open it up. And then the PDF is rebranded to them with the links that that goes to them. It's got their username in the links, so it's rebranded to them. So this is what gets people excited. So this is what I want to share with you, why this is a great tool, because LeadsLeap brought this out on the 12th of March. Okay, and they did a blog post, and he announced it. So a new viral tool on the LeadsLeap blog. Okay, and this was the blog post that he put out there on the 12th of March. Okay, I saw it. I got very excited about it. As you can see, I was the first person to comment on the 12th of March. And people know that I like this kind of stuff, you know. So I got to work immediately, and I put together the first PDF, which is actually on the 12th of March, as you can see, 12th of March, and that has had 231 downloads. That one there. The next one, 60 downloads, 238 downloads, 98 downloads, 127 downloads, 250 downloads. Okay, and I mostly shared this out on social media. I could have done a lot more. I could have got it out there, but you know, once the duplication kicks in, the viral aspect kicks in, you know, people are going to start sharing it. You know, so you could get it out there on emails. You could send it out to your mailing list, because people, you know, I've been on a lot of people's mailing lists, and I feel that most people don't really share value. Okay, and that's really where it's at. That's, you know, people ask me, why am I not getting any followers? Why my emailing list, they're all just dead. You know, a lot of dead wood on my mailing list. That's because people are you're selling to your mailing list. Honestly, you really shouldn't be selling to your mailing list. Yes, you occasionally you need to put in a little pitch here and there, obviously, but you really need to lead with value. Okay, and you're not only giving away a piece of value here, but you're also adding that extra layer of value by saying to your team that not only do you get this piece of valuable download and resource, but you can also rebrand it. All right, so that's the kind of the double bonus, double whammy, whatever you want to call it, to allow them to, get something really powerful. So that's why. So as you can see, I mean, I've created 6 PDF reports. Okay, so here they are. You've got 5 on this page, which are basically product related for Live Good, because that's what I'm part of. But you create the PDF. This particular one is a download for a marketing tool, talking about lead generation. So I'm really focusing on the network marketing, or, you know, income opportunity seekers who want to be able to figure out how to, you know, this is the biggest pain point. This is the biggest area that people struggle with. I'm just basically giving out a free piece of value that I know that most people struggle with, is generating leads, how to generate quality leads, and market their business. And it's a free download that really solves, you know, one of the biggest pain points in the industry: how to build a team, how to market your business. All right, because most people, they're going to take time. If they're a cold lead, they're going to take time to warm up to your offer, whether they're going to join you in a particular business or your primary business. You need to lay off trying to always just sell your primary business all the time. You need to take a back step and figure out what they want, regardless of whether they choose to join you or not. They may join you down the road, but you've got to build up that relationship. That's why I decided to create this particular PDF that talks about and solves and satisfies their needs, providing them with the exact solution that they need, which is lead generation. They download this, then they realize that they can actually rebrand it. But in order to rebrand it, they need to join me in the platforms that are in there. That gives them that sense of urgency to want to join you, because now they see some real value, and a reason why they should be joining you, regardless of their focus, that they might be currently focused on another primary business or whatever. But at the very least, they might decide, okay, I'm going to join this guy anyway in LeadsLeap, because I want to create my own viral PDF for my set of companies. So then they join you in LeadsLeap. But the good news is that, honestly, it is good news, guys, because, you know, this tool that Kenneth put together, okay, let me just go, this tool, the PDF link rebrander, this is only for pro members. That's a great thing, guys, because even if you're a free member and you can't use this tool, if you get someone who wants to use this tool and they join, even if you're a free member, you get to earn commissions, because they have to upgrade in order to use this powerful tool. So, you know, basically it has a full guide. You can tell them how to use it. You know, you set up you've got the tutorial here that opens up, and they can how the PDF link rebrander works. What is the embed code? You know, so it teaches them how to do it. All right. So very, very easy. I found I haven't even needed the tutorials. It was self-explanatory, and I was able to set it up really quickly. As you can see, my first PDF was set up the day they launched it. Okay, I was quick on the mark. I wanted to do this. It took me by surprise. I didn't know that they were going to do this. They didn't announce it, and suddenly they came out with it, and I thought, wow, that's fantastic. So I just went ahead and just created my first viral PDF download, and got it set up. And the other amazing thing is that Kenneth here, he actually made a case study about me. All right, because I guess I was one of the ones who got started the quickest, and I told him how fantastic it is. And this blog post was about me and my case study, and back then this particular download had 199 downloads when he created this PDF, which was on the 2nd of April. It's now the 27th of April on my computer. So that was 199 downloads. Okay, so that was that one. Now it's 231 downloads. Okay, but this is really, this one was I got this was from the one Facebook post I put out. All right, a Facebook post that I put out there, and that's what and that's what I was able to achieve there. So really fantastic. Guys, I highly recommend this. If you want to up your game in your marketing game, do this. All right. If you want a quick tip, guys, the hard work obviously is for you to go and create your PDF. But guys, you don't have to create big ones. I mean, let's take a PDF download. Let's take this one, for example. Let's just quickly download it. And this one is not very big. It's only about 4 pages. But it's got plenty of graphics. It's just giving a quick tip and a hint that you can create a nice recipe using that feature the wonderful Live Good product, protein powder, and you can mix it in with yogurt. And I've given a nice recipe and a simple download. People love this, and this has actually been translated into Swedish and other languages as well. And they reached out and asked me if I wouldn't mind. Of course, absolutely no problem at all. So. Your team are going to get really excited, but you don't have to create long documents. All right. The other thing is that you could go ahead and use an AI tool. Okay. There are some free AI tools that you could do this. For example, where are we? I can't remember what it's called now, but I personally use ChatGPT. In fact, ChatGPT, the free version, ChatGPT version 3.5, which is the free version. There are some other ones out there that are free. Let me just see if I can find it. Yeah, it's this one. So this is free, and you could create a document here. Your PDF document. Either that, or you could go to ChatGPT. So just go to chat.openai.com. And then you could, obviously the free version would be the 3.5 that you would get. That's totally free. And then you could get it. You could just tell it, just say what you want. Just, think with it. Don't try and get it to do all the tasks for you, but it can certainly bring out the whole, whatever it is you need about your company, or maybe not a company at all. Maybe just a generic thing, just because you've figured out what is the biggest issue in this industry. And if you don't know that, look about yourself. Look at the very reasons why you haven't succeeded. Like if you're a newbie, think about what are the, just write down some of the pain points, the struggles, the issues, the difficulties. Like what do people, you must know what the struggles are if you're struggling yourself and you've struggled in the past or whatever. Maybe something like, ask ChatGPT to create a document centered around how to get engagement on social media, how to get leads and signups to your business using free platforms like Facebook and Instagram or something like that, or how to up your game on generating signups for using YouTube, okay? How to generate signups using free traffic recommendations, or and then in the document, you're going to consider what platforms you want to promote. But it doesn't necessarily have to relate, just by having some links in there, it doesn't have to relate to the content. You could have just a full-blown piece of value teaching one simple thing, like 3 or 4 pages in total. And at the end, you have the branding in there, which is your company, your main primary business, the company that you're promoting. You could say something like, so, it could be talking about lead generation or something like that. And at the end, you could say, if you're looking for a platform that's helped us and, that's generating an income for us in our team, and you'd like to join our team, click the link below to check out what we are, what we're working with. All right. And, you put your link to your network marketing business or whatever, or products or services or resources or whatever, So, you can use a whole bunch of free tools to make this work. Anyway, guys, I hope this video was useful. Get on the link below. Join me in LeadsLeap. Love to work with you in LeadsLeap. Highly recommended. You can use this tool. It's for pro members, but it's well worth it. I mean, I've used other tools, and people who have asked me in the past, what tool do you use? Nobody would have expected there to be a free tool. I mean, honestly, guys, with a system like this, I mean, I've used systems like this, PDF link rebrander tools, since 2015. Most of them I've struggled with. Most people will struggle with, and they're not cheap. All right, they're more expensive than what you would pay for the monthly fee on LeadsLeap. But with LeadsLeap, you get more. You get everything. You get the whole the entire LeadsLeap suite of marketing tools that you're going to need. Plus, you get this built in. So you're really, it's really well worth it. So I highly recommend just upgrade to LeadsLeap and get yourself going. You could have a PDF done in no time. Use the AI tools I recommend. Get yourself started with a nice document. Use Google Docs, which is free, to create your PDF document. Save it as a PDF, and then follow the instructions. All right. Follow the instructions. You can download the example file there, but follow the instructions, and you've got the tutorial here on how to use it. Okay, so everything's here. I highly recommend just sit down with a coffee or however long it takes, and just start with your PDF. Brainstorm with ChatGPT or whatever, just to figure out some ideas. Okay, and just figure out and list some things that people are generally struggling with, and something that you think that you could really help the industry, so that your PDF can potentially go viral. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to working with you, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.